Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. Today we have a video of our newly adapted GWR Railcar sound project for ESU decoders. This sound project has been specifically modified to operate the complex lighting on the new Heljan O-gauge railcar. The lighting functions have been remapped. Users with limited DCC systems will be able to access the basics such as cab lights, interior and directional lights in the F0 to F8 range. Directional lights are on F0. Cab lights on F5, these are also directional. Interior lights are activated by F8. Red lights can be independently turned off using function 13. Function 14 operates the top marker lights, again these are directional. And finally F21 activates the parking lights, which overrides all other lighting commands. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting sound or non-sound decoders installed on your locomotives, please do get in touch with our workshop team, either via the phone on 01522 527 731 or via email johng@digitrains.co.uk. Thank you, and we'll see you again next time.